Welcome to Smart School Kids Zone, your favorite school. And today we are seeing the concept of left and right. So let's begin. Yes. So before that, please do visit our website, that is smartschool.infobits.com, and also you can follow us Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And you can check our educational Android game and craft channel, which links are given in the description. So let's see left and right. First, we will understand what is the concept, what is left and what is right. See here, there are two hands. So we have to identify which one is left and which one is right. So see here, so this is left hand and this is right. But if you don't know how to identify, I have a trick, so you will easily identify which one is your left hand and which one is your right hand. So let's see that trick. Yes, left and right. See there again, there are two hands, but now the position are little bit different. So put your both hand in front of your eyes, or you can put your hands on the table in this position. Okay, and after that you just imagine this L shape. Okay, to see here, this L is proper L and this is exactly opposite. So we know that this is exact L. So which hand show the L angle? It must L stand for left. It means this is your left hand. Okay, which hand will show exact angle of L? That is your left hand. L for left, and another one is right hand. Okay, so follow this trick. Henceforth, once again I tell you, which hands fingers will show you the exact L shape, that hand is your left hand and another one is right hand. Okay, so let's see some more examples. See here, there are two arrows. Now how you identify which one is left arrow and which one is right arrow? Again the same trick. See here, this is L, so that arrow, this arrow will show you a exact left angle, L angle. L for left, then that arrow would be left, another one is right. So you have to remember just one side, that is left, which will show you the exact L shape. That arrow or that hand will be your left hand and another one will be right hand. Okay, are you enjoying? Let's see the next example. See here, there are two cars. One car is wants to take this turn and this car wants to take this turn. Again we have already learned that this arrow is showing the L shape. It means it is left turn, right, and another one is a right turn. You have to just identify left, then by default remaining one will be right. Okay, look at the picture and answer the questions, so you will understand again, but this time you have to identify that boy is in front of you. So the questions regarding that boy's sides, not your side. Okay, it means that is exactly opposite to your side. It means this is your left side and this is your right side. It must be opposite of this boy. The boy left side is this one and boy right side is this one. Okay, because he is exactly opposite, because he is looking to you. So it means that is the exactly opposite to you. That's why his left hand is our right hand and his right hand is our left hand. So let's see the question. Name the object kept on the left hand side of the bar. So which objects are on the left side? So see here, the left side is this one. So there is bag, water bottle and pen. So these are the answer: water bottle, school bag and pen with cap. This is pen and this is cap. Okay, so these are the things left side of the boy. Okay, let's see next question. Where are the books kept? So tell me, where is book? So books are right side of the boy. Yes, the books are kept at right side of the boy. Let's see next question. Where is the pencil kept? See here, pencil is there, this. So where it is kept? Again it is right side of the boy. The pencil is kept at the right side of the boy. Okay, now you understand? I hope you better understand. Just review it. The which hand finger will shape the exact L, that is your left hand, and another one is right hand. Remember it, these two fingers will make exact L shape, and L for LEFT. So once you remember this trick, then you will easily identify the left and right. Okay, and another one is right hand. Okay, see there are again this arrow, just review it. These are the arrows, again these arrows. So this is left arrow and this is right arrow. Okay, now see one fun for you. There are two boxes. So this one will be your left hand and this one will be your right hand. And see there are some circles and triangles. So put the circles on the left box and triangles on the right box. So see there, how many circles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 5 circles we have to put on the left box. Left box means this one. Okay, so put that, this one first, second, third, fourth and this fifth. Okay, the all circles we already put on the left box. Now all triangles, put that triangles on the right side of the box. 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Okay, so now you understand what is left and right concept. You should remember forever it. Okay, don't forget now. This is our left box and this is our right. Thank you. If you really like this video, then please click the like button and also comment. Please share with your friends. Also subscribe our channel. Click the bell icon. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye. Thank you so much.